Hi, in this video I would like to show you my Type Specimen online project that I created with Figma Sites. So this project is based on my Figma design project, also called Type Specimen, which is available on my community page. We also have a video about this, so feel free to have a look. And the goal here, or purpose, is to be able to test my two fonts inside my browser and also in different viewports. So you can see we have different pages. Each page have different viewports. We have here the home page, we have the font family 1 page, we have the font family 2 page, and the mix page, which is combining both typefaces. And I did the same like I did for the Figma design project. I stored my two values inside variables. So here, if you go inside my variables panel, we have here font family 1, which is storing my first typeface. We have font family 2, which is storing my second typeface. And Figma Sites is a very easy and a quick way to publish your designs. So here you can see on the top left corner we have this little publish button and with random URL that Figma is giving you. So if I click on this URL, you can see that we have our current project live. So Type Specimen with my first typeface here, EB Garamond, Rethink Song. So these are both Google fonts and a mix of them. So it's also responsive. So that's really nice, yeah, to test your fonts inside the browser. You can also share it with your colleagues and ask for feedback. And the nice part is, again, if you use variables, here in this case, we want to maybe test another one that is called Bodoni Moda. So I go back, and you can see that the name is also already updated. So I also attach the name of my typefaces, and here on the first page you can see that everything is already updated. So really fast and handy to test different typefaces. And now the last part is that I have to only update by clicking here. Then wait a few seconds and going back to my website. When it's done, I refresh, and you can see I have my new typeface. So Bodoni Moda. I can go inside my page, and here it is. So really fast and easy to use. So if I go in my mix page, you can see the also new typeface. So very easy way to test and preview your fonts online. If you want, if you want to have an access to this file, feel free to write me, and I can share with you the link so you can copy this project and use it for your own design projects. And yeah, see you next time.